In this video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel Instantly AI subscription. In order to do this, you just need to head over right here into your actual browser and search for Instantly.AI, which is their website. From in there, click onto this Start for Free option in order to sign up. Now, if you already have an account like I do, proceed to click onto this Login option instead. So once you have successfully logged in, you should be able to see in here your actual dashboard. If you want to cancel your Instantly AI subscription, we need to head over to the billing section. So it's typically found right here into our actual options right there. Or if not, you can click on your actual email options available right here, which is this person icon. Then from in there, click on settings. And under the billings, you can see this right here. Now, once you're in there, next thing you need to do is to just choose in here the plan that you have. So as of right now, I have in here this free trial. But if you already subscribed to the growth plan or hyper growth or light speed option, you should be able to find them right there. And you should be able to find as well a cancel option from there. So from in there, if you already subscribed, you can proceed to click on the cancel option and then complete the cancellation as well as the feedback and survey when you are prompted to them. After that, you can just confirm the cancellation date next to the plan to finalize the process, and your plan will be cancelled at the end of your current billing cycle. So if you still have 2 weeks left, then you should be able to still access your instantly from there. And you will not be charged for the next cycle right there. So do take note of that as well. So that's all there is today, and if you have any questions, you can comment them down in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching.